Have you or someone you love ever missed a medical appointment because you couldn't get a ride? Well, guess what? You're not alone. And that's exactly why non-emergency medical transportation, or NEMT, exists. So today we're breaking down what NEMT really is, how it works, and why it matters more than ever in our community. Hey everyone, I'm Mel Holder, co-founder of Swift Aid Transport here in Orange County, New York. If you've ever heard the term NEMT, but didn't quite know what it means or how it could actually benefit you or your family, this video is definitely for you. We're on a mission to make sure that no one ever gets left behind when it comes to healthcare. So let's break it all down. Now, what does NEMT stand for? NEMT stands for non-emergency medical transportation. In simple terms, it's a service that provides rides for people who need help getting to and from medical appointments, but aren't in an emergency situation. So think of it as the bridge between personal transportation and an ambulance service. Now, it's there for doctor's visits, physical therapy, dialysis, hospital discharges, and so much more. Who uses NEMT? NEMT is for anyone who faces barriers getting to medical care. Now, this can include seniors, people with disabilities, Medicaid recipients, those recovering from illnesses or injury, anyone who can't drive or doesn't have reliable transportation. So without NEMT, many of these folks would simply miss critical healthcare appointments, and we don't want that. How does NEMT work? It's designed to be safe, reliable, and convenient for those that we're carrying. Here's how it typically works. You schedule a ride way ahead of time by phone or online, or you could do it through your healthcare provider. They'll assist you with that. A trained driver picks you up at your door, helps you into the vehicle if needed, and then they transport you to your appointments. And how convenient is that? After your visit, they bring you home safely. Now, NEMT vehicles are specially equipped. Some of them have wheelchair ramps, some of them have lifts, or some of them have stretchers, making access possible for almost anyone to get the care that they need. So why is NEMT so important? For millions of Americans, lack of transportation is actually the barrier to healthcare. Now, NEMT isn't just about convenience, it's about healthcare outcomes, okay? Because missed appointments can mean delayed care, worsening your health, or it takes costly emergency room visits to get you there. Now, reliable transportation helps patients stay on track with their care, manage chronic conditions, and actually recover faster. NEMT is a critical part of the healthcare system, yet it's actually one of the least talked about. How is NEMT paid for? Many people qualify for free or low-cost NEMT through Medicaid or insurance plans. Some, they pay out of pocket or use private NEMT services. Now, at Swift Aid Transport, we will work with both public and private clients to make sure that everyone can access safe, professional rides to and from their appointments. What makes a great NEMT provider? Not all NEMT services are created equal, all right? The best providers offer trained, compassionate drivers, clean, well-maintained vehicles, reliable on-time service, respect for every passenger's dignity and privacy. Remember, HIPAA. Now, at Swift Aid, that's our promise to you. If you found this video helpful, please hit that subscribe button and tap the bell for more real stories and behind the scenes, insights from the world of NEMT. All right. Thanks for watching. Remember, access to healthcare shouldn't depend on whether you have a car, a friend, or a family member nearby. NEMT is here to bridge that gap, and Swift Aid Transport is here to serve our community with dignity, safety, and respect. See you in the next video.